Did you know that gum disease affects 1 in 2 Americans over the age of 30? Well, unfortunately, that statistics gets worse over the age of 60, and where 3 of every 4 Americans have moderate to severe gum disease. Gum disease, also known as periodontal disease, largely go unnoticed because it typically doesn't hurt and it is a silent disease. If you like to eat your food and stay healthy, you need to know what gum disease is, otherwise you could lose your teeth in the future. Periodontal disease or gum disease is caused by bacteria that gets underneath your gums and cause infection. That infection will lead to bone loss, and if you lose enough bone, you lose your teeth. Now, if this is caught early, you can slow or stop this disease, but if it gets to a certain point, there is no turning back. So the key is to prevent this bacteria from getting started in the first place. Hi, Dr. Delacruz here, and today I'll be giving you 3 tips that you can do at home to prevent gum disease. The first one here, gum disease usually starts between your teeth, so you guessed it, that's where we're going to start. You start by flossing and using a soft pick to clean between your teeth. Yes, we beat that horse to death every time you come in for a cleaning, but unfortunately it's very important in preventing gum disease, therefore we will continue to say it over and over again. Okay, so you clean between your teeth with floss. Okay, did you know there's a reservoir of bacteria in the back of your throat? Yes, so my tip number 2 is to remove that by using a tongue scraper. Not only will this help you with gum disease, but it will also help you with bad breath. Okay, so you've brushed, you've flossed, and you used the tongue scraper. Most people don't realize there's certain areas that we still do not get to. So for my tip number 3 is to use a water flosser or water pick. There's many different kinds out there, okay? Now be cautious. If you've never used a water flosser before, do not crank that all the way up. It's like taking a pressure washer to your gums. It will cut and tear. Start at low setting and every couple of weeks move it up 1 notch, okay? But do not go full throttle. You will regret it. Untreated gum disease not only affects your oral health, it also affects your physical health. There are many studies out there that associate and correlate gum disease with increased risk in heart disease, diabetes, Alzheimer's, dementia, preterm birth, just to name a few. So I want to read you a quote by Dr. Bradley Bell, who is a well-renowned cardiologist, and pay close attention to what he says here. He says it is imperative that you get your teeth clean, your gums evaluated regularly, and get optimal dental therapy because it is life-saving for the prevention of heart attack, stroke, and death. To conclude, I recommend that you use floss, tongue scraper, and water flosser daily to prevent gum disease and a lot of other health problems. If you like this content, please subscribe to the channel and share it with others. Until next time, take care.